So, all right, I'm into a little trade here. Price is in a low volume area here. It can reject out of this area or it can push lower. So, this is, right now this is where I'm taking a trade from. So hopefully we get filled here. Let's see what happens. Okay, come on. One tick away from that first contract. Okay, there we go. All right, let's just move it here. Go ahead and get filled here at about a point and a quarter, I think, a point and a half here. So come on. And okay, price hit it, pulled off of it, and pulled back. Okay, so it did hit the profit target. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's the first. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Future Trading with Mike, and as always, I'm trading the ES, which is the Emini S&P 500, and I welcome everyone. Thank everyone for watching the video this morning. This is my live day trading session. Excuse me, guys. Can't get it out of my mouth. Trading the Emini S&P 500, guys, as I always do. If this is your first time watching the video or any video that I have posted to YouTube, to my channel here, I appreciate you this morning joining in, guys. Please go ahead and take the time, guys, to subscribe to the channel because my channel is packed with a lot of good information about trading the future markets, especially the S&P 500, guys, the E-mini futures. But as I always say, guys, in all my videos, guys, what is the #1 rule to trading, or #1 golden rule? Price action, guys. You got to understand price action. You got to know price action. You got to understand the market structure. You got to be able to read the market structure, guys. Those are the keys. Price action is the golden rule. Okay. So in today's video, what I want to talk about, I just really want to talk about my strategy, because I get a lot of questions about my strategy, or why do I trade using the range charts versus any other time period chart. You can trade any time time period, time frame, chart, or chart style. It doesn't really matter. It's up to you. It's up to your preference. It's just what I choose. But as far as being able to trade, everybody has their own strategies, their own strategy. I have my own strategy. I just trade pullbacks. I wait the price come back to a level that I've identified, and I wait for the rejection and failure. I say that in every one of my videos, guys. Pullback, rejection, failure. Pullback, rejection, failure. So that's what I look for. So in this video here, I'm just going to be pretty much showing my strategy. You'll see it in my trades. It's just waiting for price to get back to a level and trading that level. Like right now, let's see if anything's going on. I'm not sure. Price is bouncing right here at the point of control, and let's see. So first off, let's start off and just kind of like look to see what happened prior day. I always like to look at the prior day going into today's session, and it is currently 9:40 right now. So I'm just starting to look at my charts this morning, guys. So bear with me here. But okay, so yesterday the market, well, throughout this week, pretty much the last few days, the market's been selling off, stair stepping down. Yesterday we had a push up. Price made a high here yesterday at 45, let's say 45.30, and then it kind of just pushed down, retesting this low right here from yesterday morning around 3 in the morning, and price bounced. Why did price bounce again? Price bounced there because you see this was a level right here. Price pushed up, price pulled back, it came back to that level, rejected and failed, pushed higher, and then it came back to this level here, and it did bounce at this level here again. It bounced at that level there again where I had that red line at. So the question is price going to continue pushing higher, or is price going to push lower? Okay, so we have to kind of stay focused on and tuned in to price action. Okay, so this morning we have this swing right here, right? But officially, it is not a full swing to the downside because price has not broke this low here at 44.85. So, so price is trading within this a swing right now. So, it has not formed a full swing to the downside yet. So we are within this area right here, and price is pushed up, breaking some swings within this swing. Okay, we have some swings. We have a swing here, a swing here. So price is pushed up. Okay, pull back, push higher. It's taking out this little swing right here. Okay, that swing right there. It's taking that swing out, pushed up, pull back, push higher, taking this swing here out. Okay, but it's rejecting at this swing right here. Okay. All right. So the question is now, what is price going to do? You know, is it going to push lower? So we have to wait and kind of see what price is going to do. So let's kind of focus and look at some levels here, guys. So I want to be able to show you my strategy of how I trade, and that's just pullback price action trading. That's what I call it. You know, I follow price action, wait for it to pull back to a certain level. Wait for price to come back to a level. It reject and fail, and then take the pullback entry. So yeah, so let's look to see what price is for the market is trying to do here. Okay, price broke that. Okay, so let's see. I have this purple line up here. Let's see if I can possibly mark a level. We're in a low volume area right here, so that could be a little iffy. So let's see. So that okay. Let's see. This is a low volume area right here, okay, with prices approaching. So we have to be very mindful of the area here. Okay, so the price can push lower, you know, it can definitely push lower. But there is support right here, okay? Definite area of support. So if price rejects this area, we'll see what happens. But yeah, guys, I appreciate everyone following the channel, guys. You know, if you haven't subscribed to the channel, please take the time to go ahead and subscribe, guys. This is my videos are packed with good information, good content that's surrounded around price action trading, and that's what I do every day on my channel. Is that I live trade the markets. Everyone knows that I live trade the Emini S&P 500 primarily, and yeah, that's what I do. Okay, so all right, I'm into a little trade here. Price is in a low volume area here. It can reject out of this area, or it can push lower. So this is, you know, right now this is where we I'm taking a trade from. So hopefully we get filled here. Let's see what happens. Okay, come on. One tick away from that first contract. Okay, there we go. All right, let's just move it here. Go ahead and get filled here at about a point and a quarter, I think, a point and a half here. So come on. And okay, price hit it, pulled off of it, and pulled back. Okay, so it did hit the profit target. Okay, there we go. All right, so that's the first trade for today, guys. Now, what could happen here? All right, so price it took out this area right here. This is a swing to the downside. Okay, so price, you know, price took it out, pushed up, pulled back, pushed higher. It's testing that area now. All right, so I was aggressive. I took the trade. But this was a pullback. Okay, to this area of support right here. Okay, so that's pretty much how I do it, guys. I wait for price to break levels, pull back at an area of support, primarily where there's demand or liquidity, whatever you want to call it, and then I take my trade. Okay, that's how I do it, guys. That is exactly how I take my trade. That's my strategy. Okay, it's simple, very simple. There's not much to it. So, yeah, that's how I do it. So pretty much, you know, the topic of my video today, including, you know, which I always do incorporate with my live price action trading, is discussing in this video here my strategy, simple strategy that I use for trading the future markets, so especially primarily the ES, which is the Emini S&P 500 futures, guys. So, but you can use it in any market. I'm not saying, oh, is that, you know, somebody may ask the question, can you only do that trading, you know, this particular market here? No, price action, pullbacks. You just got to know where there's you know, uh, nice areas of support or nice areas or resistance, guys, to be able to trade pullbacks or whatever the case is. So that's what I do. So price breaks here. Price breaks this area here to the upside. 44, 45.07 comes and pulls back. I'll take a little entry long. We'll see. Take a look here. Maybe, but it may be not much of an entry though, because we do have an area of resistance right above us. So I meant to take a quick little scalp. So we'll see. But yeah, today's the 10th. It's Friday, September the 10th, and so we are moving into the weekend. Okay. But yeah, guys, if you don't mind, go ahead at this time and hit that like button for me. And I say that because I want to continue dropping content, making content of me live trading and explaining different topics that someone may have a question about. So please go ahead and hit that like button for me, guys. And if you haven't subscribed, hit that subscribe button. It doesn't hurt anything to subscribe to the channel. You know, the only thing is you'll be getting good information sent to you about each time I, upload a video and cover particular content. And you can watch me live. You can watch my my recording, my live trading. Okay, and it's not as simple as it appears, guys. When it comes to trading and talking, you have to. It's multitasking is basically what it is, guys. So I have to be. I have to pay. Oh, saw that price jump down. Okay. All right. So price is trying to push lower. So as price pushes lower, we have to also look for areas of support below. So here's another area, possibly. Let's see. Don't know about this area here. Could be an area here. We'll see. Price is jumping down to it pretty quick, so okay, I'm long. Oh, I was in one contract. Okay, here we go. Oh. I got into the trade too early. Yep. See that purple line? I should have waited for that line because price can come down there. In the trade too early. All right. Way too early on this trade. Come on, break. Ah. All right. My exit is my stop is going to be here at 44.97. I gotta see price break above, so I took this trade way too early, guys. Okay. Yeah, price and test this area right here. There's a high volume node right here. I would like the price probably might come a little bit below it and then push higher. So here's a example of where I took a trade. I'm taking a trade too early here and not being patient enough. So let's just wait it. I have to wait it now. I have to wait it out. $44.97. Yeah. So this is this is an area of, let me take a look here. Let me take a look. It's an area of support. price is going to have to break this area here. I took the trade way too. I took the trade too early, but come on. I bounced off my target. Okay. All right. Let's go ahead and take profit right here because I think price is going to bounce. It could bounce here, so I went ahead and took it to profit. I told you 44.97. Price didn't come to it. I was still a point away from it, 4 ticks away from it for my stop. But as far as me canceling, I'm getting out of the trade. But I think it's too early. I should have waited for the W. Like I always tell you guys, wait for that little W. Price push down, pull back, pull down again, and breaking above here, you go long on it. And you go long on the pullback. So I took the trade too early. Price came back 8 ticks. Stop for me is typically 10 to 12 ticks. So I just didn't wait for price to. I didn't wait for price to. You guys know I'm an aggressive style trader, so. But I'm trying to show you, that you take trades based on pullbacks, and you wait for that rejection or failure. So what I did was I got into the trade too quick and being aggressive and didn't fully wait for the rejection. So, but I want you guys to wait for the rejection and failure. Look for that little W formation. And right now we haven't got the break to the upside. Wait for the break to the upside, then on a pullback, then that's when you take your entry. Because price can push lower. We are at a major high volume area right here, okay? So price could, well, we are at an area of support. So, but price could push lower though. We can approach or come down to the lower portion of this high volume area down here. So, excuse me. Hmm. Yeah, I want to see price. I got to see price break above 45.01 and 3/4, basically 45.02, and then pull back to. Let's see what happens here. Yeah, see price is trying to break above now. It's trying to break, right? All right. Mm. Ah, yeah. See, I don't like. Let's see. Don't know if it's gonna break this area or not. And we have some. There's a level of resistance above us, so I have to be careful here. Hmm. Yeah. Just be careful, guys. You got to wait for the breaks. See that? Price didn't break that area right there. It's not breaking that area. So typically what you want to see is price break that area, right? Once it breaks above, that green candle closes above 45.02, then you look for the pullback. And then that's when you want to take your trade, okay? So we're at the right now we're at the kind of approaching the top of this high volume area right here. So, I always say sell the highs, buy the lows, buy the dips and sell the highs. However which way you wanna say it. So right now I'm up 17 ticks, guys. I'll show you that. 17 ticks right now. And I've just been trading for about 15 minutes now. As always, I look to take a few trades here. I try to show you guys a few trades. Not every day we get into a trading situation or get into a position because if you know anything about trading, some days the market just does not want to really clearly show its hand, and if it doesn't make sense and it's not clear, don't trade. Do not trade if it doesn't make sense. So I'm just waiting here, guys. You guys see me? I'm just taking some notes. Okay, so the market's not wanting to break above, right? So what are we going to do? We're going to break lower. We're going to push higher. You know, that's always the question, right? Always the question. All right, so if the market, let's see. So we may be trying to push higher, push lower now because the market does not want to take out this little level right here, little swing level. So we could push lower. So that's where we start looking for sitting there, starting to break lower. You gotta know if it rejects an area after the bounce, if the price comes to a level, if it can't clear or break above another level, more likely it's going to push lower. So this could be a little fake out. I try to fake it out sometimes by pushing just slightly a little bit lower, and boom. So this could have been a trade entry long right here to probably right here, 4,500 price is at now. So that was a little fake out long entry right there. So price at this point could still push. It still could push higher, but like I said, it's gonna have to take out 4502 for it to do so. So if it doesn't take this area here out right here, it's gonna push lower. All right, and then we have to be prepared for our next area of interest. So let's go ahead and set up and kind of see where that could possibly be at. Hmm. So yeah, let's look. Let's look. Let's look. Probably. Let's see. Do, 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 do. Yeah. Um. Let's see. Somewhere in this area here. Possibly somewhere in this area here. So okay. Price is pushing lower. All right. Uh. Hmm. Yeah, I wouldn't take. I'm not taking. I wouldn't take a trade here because we got resistance right above us. So even on a little bounce here, so um, I like to see price come a little lower. Yeah, I want to see price come lower. To be honest with you, this area of support below down here. Maybe I can get into one more trade for this video here. Just simply showing my strategy. I call it pullback price action trading, but it's just simply a pullback. That's the setup. That's the strategy I use. It's simple, guys. I mean, you just wait for price to come back to an area of identified level that you have identified. Pause and hold steady and just wait for price to make that rejection. You see that W formation at that level, You see that W formation, that price pulls back to it, pushes up, pulls back again, and then breaks above. Once it breaks above, on that pullback is where you take the trade. All right, all right, all right, all right, all right. Let's see. Market is moving pretty good today. What time is it? 10 o'clock? Yeah, we're getting some good movement. I mean, it's not bouncing around, it's not ticking around and hee-hawing around right now. It's got some, okay, here we go. Boom, boom, we're at it. And I'm probably going to be aggressive here, guys. I'm going to be honest with you. Okay. All right, I'm being aggressive. Very aggressive here. Price can push a little lower. It can push a little lower. I already know that. Come on. Trade may have been right here at 42. I mean, not 92, 44.92. So, all right, let's see. There we go. Feel just like that. Okay. Price is going to pause, bounce right here because we have a little bit of a area of resistance, but it could push higher though. Yeah, it could push higher, but it's going to probably bounce right here. We got a little bit of resistance right here. So that was probably a quick 8 ticks right there. We'll check and see. Yep, 25 ticks now. Went from 17 to 25, just that quick, guys. And it's as simple as that. All right, so if we look to see how much right now, what I've been trading 20 minutes now. 20 minutes because the first part of my video was pretty much explaining. So just take 5 minutes off of that. So I've been trading for 20 minutes now and up $312.50 in 20 minutes. As simple as that, guys, on a Friday. And right now I could close out and I'll be done for the rest of the day. And, that's it. All right, so price is, let's see. Yeah. I would not take a trade. I mean, there's possibility, but yeah, I'm not taking a trade here because well, price could actually bounce here. And price is not taken out. Let's see. Yeah, see, price trying to push a little lower. I mean, this could be a quick little bounce, to be honest with you. So I'll take a quick little scalp. Real quick scalp. There we go. Quick little scalp here. Come on. Don't like that. All right, quick little scalp. Price is going to pause right here, the top volume node right here. 44.93 is bouncing right there. Take a quick little scalp, real quick, guys. Not saying price can't push higher, but I know that price is going to take out this area here if it wants to push higher. Just right here. So, all right. So that was, let's see. All right. All right, 25. Let's pick the 5 ticks right here. 5 ticks, up 30 ticks now. Simple as that. All right, so that brought me up to 375 right now. Okay, 375. And hey, that's simple as that, guys. I'm gonna go ahead. I'm done. I'm done for right now, unless I see something, more interesting throughout the day. But it's Friday. I'm up almost $400 in 20 minutes of trading, 25 minutes of trading. And that's it, guys. So that's the simple strategy I want to talk about today in this video here. Incorporating this into my live day trading session here on the 10th of September. It's just pullbacks. Pullbacks to a level, guys. That's all it is. But the first and foremost thing I always tell you is what? Understand price action. And then once you know price action, you got to know where your levels are. You got to know your levels are. Once you have the level, then boom, that's the key right there. Once you have the level, all you do is wait for the rejection and failure. So be able to read the market, understand what it's trying to do, wait for it to come back to a level that you have marked, and just wait for the rejection. That's it. And you make money. Simple as that, guys. Guys, I appreciate everyone for watching the video. As I always say, if you have not subscribed to the channel, please go ahead and subscribe to the channel. What are you waiting for? This is a great opportunity to follow someone that live day trades the future markets every single day, and you can learn. You will learn, guys. As simple as that. Please go ahead and hit that like button for me. I appreciate it if you could do that, because it helps me and it helps you at the same time. I'll continue making content. If I see that people are liking the channel or liking the videos, I will continue to making content. Great content, guys. I appreciate it. See you in the next video, guys. Have a good weekend. All right, till next time. See you.